What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to sell your old stuff in Shadow 1. You probably got problems with your inventory, or you are upgrading your businesses and then you got old stuff which you would not use anymore. So how to get rid of that stuff? So I've got some old stuff which I want to sell. So I will go to the pawn shop, and the pawn shop is located next to the motel. So you need to go over here and there you will find the pawn shop. Once you are going inside, you can talk to Mick and offer the stuff you would like to sell. So let's say we would like to offer those stuff, and then we can start the negotiation. So we can make him an offer, and as you can see, he will offer us a certain price. You can make a counter offer by adding some money to our offer and then counter it. And once he accepts it, then you can accept the offer and you have sold your old stuff. And this is how you sell your old equipment in Shadow 1. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!